Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak, back all up in this thing, you know what I'm saying? And today, got a quick upgrade for my AR-15 pistol right here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all check that out. Got a lot of, you know what I'm saying, cool stuff going on with this. But I guess I'll go ahead and give a proper intro and actual gun review of this gun at a later time. But today I'm gonna be swapping out this pistol grip for this right here. This right here is the UTG impact resistant polymer non-slip grip texture AR-15 contoured sniper's pistol grip. Whew. So yeah, pretty much I'm just finna, as you can see right now, I got the standard A2 pistol grip on there. So swap this out to, just have a better grip. I've heard real good things about these. I've tried them out myself. I've felt how they feel on a AR pistol, and I liked it a lot. So went ahead and got one. Go ahead and show y'all how to swap these out. It's real simple. Get it out the box, and yeah, I've already felt how this feels, but it's a real nice full textured grip, and it also has a little chamber at the bottom. You can keep stuff in there if you wish to. So that's good. Let's get to taking this off. Pretty much all you need to find a bit that just fits in this screw here. So before I get to taking this off, go ahead and clear my weapon. Get rid of this. And there you go. So close this back up, but still, make sure still keep it on safe. I like to turn this on the side so that way this spring that's in here, kind of just, you can just mosey it on out. So I found a bit that fits perfectly for these screws. So I'm just gonna get in here on the side. Boom. Like I said, I like to keep it on the side as I pull these out. Keep control of that spring. So this is real simple. It only really involves one screw. So boom, remove a screw, pull this down. Make sure you can see that spring right there. Boom. So that's out. I'll take my new pistol grip and put that spring in this hole. There we go. Want to make sure that my spring is, going into the hole correctly. Alright, and this is just a note for y'all. If y'all do decide to go with this UTG textured pistol grip, just know that when you put the screw into this, you're gonna need to do it at sort of a canted back angle. When you started to put it on, at least when I started to put this on, my the natural way that I wanted to kind of screw this in was, you know, kind of vertically with this grip, but it turns out, you know, as it actually lines up in mine at least, it's, you know, kind of diagonal. So just nice and tight. Sure there's no wiggle or wobble. And that feels nice. Alright. Oh yeah. And that's nice. Finger grooves fit nice. No wobble. That's perfect. So you will need a screw with this. It doesn't come with one. If you don't have one, you know, you can either buy it separately, or if you are swapping out pistol grips, then you could just use the other one that, you know, you already had. But I think this is a nice addition. Feels great in the hand, and it looks better than the other one as well. So alright, so let's take a look at how this new UTG pistol grip, you know, lines up with everything. It's a nice flush fit around the back. You can see on the other side, pretty much contours with the safety selector. You know, comes, wraps around. So yeah, man, good. Nice sturdy feel. You know, feels good in the hand, man. So already I can tell that I like this a lot. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you hit the like on the video. Got any questions, anything like that, hit up the comment box. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know what I'm saying? Got a whole lot more gun videos coming up. So that's it for this one. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace out. Squat.